So we are looking at number 6 from problem set 6, and what this is asking us to do is find the major products for each of these epoxides in different reactions. So what we're looking at first is this reaction here. This O with its lone pairs is going to see this hydrogen and deprotonate, get rid of the Cl, and we're going to have H, and that has 3 bonds, which makes it positively charged. And this, at the same time, this Cl that we just kicked off is going to come back and attach itself right in here, which is going to give us an OH over here, Cl here, just like that. Now for the second one, we have CH3O-, which is going to come and attack all the way over here, and that is going to give these electrons back to oxygen. What that's going to give us is H3CO. Oxygen is still attached over here with negatively charged now because of those electrons that came back. And the next step, we still have our bottom section here is CH3OH, and that is going to come and react. So we have OH and CH3. And again, this oxygen is going to come deprotonate. That's going to give these electrons back to this oxygen, and what we're going to be left with is our H3CO. And up here we have OH now, methyl and methyl. So this is main product, this is the major product. For the third one over here, make sure you guys can still see. What we're gonna have here is this oxygen, again, is going to see this hydrogen, kick off this chlorine, and we're going to end up ultimately, we don't have to go through all of the mechanisms on this, because what's going to happen is this hydrogen is going to attach to the oxygen, give us an OH group, and then this chlorine is going to come through again on this side, just like we saw over here. And we're going to end up with the same product as here. We're just going to have another 2 methyls over on this side because it's the same reaction and these methyls don't participate in the reaction. So what we're going to end up with is, again, the same reaction, or the same major product with our OH here, just with 2 methyls over here because they don't participate in the reaction. And for our last one, this again is the same reaction, we just have 2 extra methyls on this side. So if we look at our product, if we look at our product from over here, it's going to be the same reaction, and we're just going to have 2 extra methyl groups. So that will look like this, and we've got an OH, and we have an OCH3. And there is our major product.